Hey guys, I was just wanting to see for anybody in the Cumberland, Kentucky area, I was just gonna ask if anybody lost a solid black cat. It's as friendly as can be, but it's starting to take up here and we don't we love it. It's adorable, but we don't need it. It's been taken up here. And the only reason why I ain't showing my face is because I just have not brushed my hair today. And yeah, and I just don't feel like combing it right now. So, if anybody lost a solid black cat with yellow eyes, just just comment down in the just comment on this video. Okay, bye.